Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and healthy at home. Today we will start chapter 10, that is computer viruses, and this is week 5. The resources are your book, that is Computer Science and Information Technology grade 7 book. We will study chapter 10 today, and the pages are 89 to 91. In methodology, audio aids, visual aids, one quiz, and at the end of this lesson, homework assignment. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to define computer virus. Students will be able to answer by whom first virus was created, explain what a virus can do and what it cannot do, know how does a computer virus spread, and describe the types of computer virus. Computer virus. The full form of virus is Vital Information Resources Under Siege. A computer virus is a software designed specially to affect the normal functioning of a computer. First computer virus created. The first computer virus was a boot sector virus dubbed Brain and was created by Farooq Alvi brothers in Lahore to deter piracy of the software they had written. What a virus can do: it can infect the executable files like Microsoft Excel files, Word files, etc. The files before it is attached to an email or transferred to a disk. So the virus can be transferred from one computer to another by email attachment. What a virus cannot do: it cannot infect the files which are written on protected disk, because for writing on the disk on CD some special processes are followed, and when the CD is written, then that CD becomes the read-only CD. Nothing will be written on that CD after that. And a virus cannot infect the computer hardware also, because a virus is a software and it can only infect the software. Computer virus usually spread in one of three ways: from removable media like USB. From USB, computer virus can be spread from USB, from one computer to another computer by USB. From files downloaded from internet. If you are downloading the file on the internet, you have to check that you are not downloading the virus with that file. And from email attachment. We have discussed this before. The next topic is types of computer virus. First type is resident virus. This virus is permanent. It dwell in RAM. It damage and corrupt all those files and programs available on that system. You can see in the chart, RAM is infected with virus. When the file is loaded into in the RAM, that file will also be infected. The next type of computer virus is direct action virus. It replicates the files on same place. You can see the picture that because of this virus, files are replicating, and every time this virus is triggered is its action. One time if you are starting the computer, one time this virus is acting like a overwrite virus, and the other time virus can be acting like the direct action virus or other type of virus. Next type is overwrite virus. This virus damage or remove the data. This virus overwrite the data of the document and make them useless at last. You have experienced this type of message when you have attached the USB with your computer. You are trying to open the file from the USB. You experience this type of message that a thread detected or file cannot be opened. This type of virus is overwrite virus is there because file is infected or file is overwritten by the virus. Then the only last option is there that you have to delete the file. The next computer virus is boot sector virus. First of all, you have to know that what is boot sector. Boot sector is crucial part of the disk where operating system, you can say that where Windows is installed. You can see in the picture that the yellow color in the yellow color the Windows is installed. Mostly the in C drive Windows installed, and when you are boot means the starting instructions where the computer starting instructions are stored, and in this boot sector computer starting instructions are stored. And when your disk is infected with the boot sector virus and you are starting the computer, the virus is executing, so the Windows can be corrupted by this virus. Next virus is directory virus. This virus is designed to change the location of infected file, so when you execute it you will never know that you have run a virus. You can see in the image that file ABC is infected, and then when you will click on this file location is changed. You don't know where the original file is, and when you are double clicking on this file you are actually executing the virus. Next is file infector. This virus accompany the free stuff you download from the internet. If you are downloading the game or you are downloading any file, any software, any free software from the internet, you don't know that you are downloading the virus with that file or with that game also. Next computer virus type is worm. A worm is a computer network and takes advantage of security weaknesses to replicate. It is the virus of computer network. It replicates itself on the network and make the traffic of its copies. It sends its files through the cable that connect many computers. When the security is weak, the computer that is linked with infected computer also gets infected. You can see in the picture that two computers are infected and third computer is going to affect by the worm. Trojan horse or logic bomb. This virus does not replicate it. It is designed to perform targeted activities. It is designed to destroy the system. It is designed to change the data. It can be designed to transmit the password, etc. This virus tricks the user by acting as an original file. It is like the legal file. When the user opens the file, it automatically begins to infect the system. It does lots of damage to our computer every time we open and run it. So it's a time of question answer session. First question is, what is a computer virus? A computer virus is a software that is designed to affect the normal functioning of the computer. What is the full form of virus? The full form of virus is Vital Information Resources under Siege. How do computer viruses spread? Computer viruses usually spread in one of the three ways: from removable media, from files downloaded from internet, and from email attachments. This is an assignment for you. You will make a report on MS Word. The topic is difference between Trojan horses and worms.